But as you can see, I just have a green background here. What if I don't like this background and I'm not too pleased with it? Well, I can make some changes to it and I can edit it. And this is how you can do that. Well, you'll notice to the right here, there's background, right? And you see the color. The automatic color that's there is automatically here. The color that's in the background here is automatically showing up as a background color here, which lets you know you're in the right spot. And you can then make changes to the color. As you can see, it even actually recommends colors for you. And you could pick yours if you want. You can also add an image. If you wanted to add an image from your computer, you would upload it and it would also go to the back here, which is really, really cool. Another thing you could do is add a video by simply going here and uploading the video to the background. So those are the fun things you could do. You could do a lot more in edit, or I should say you could do it as well in edit more. But what I think is cool is without even leaving the app to go to edit more, you can easily come in here, import your clip, make the changes to the background, and be gone without having to go to edit more. So that's really, really cool. So that's how you can remove and replace your background.